And we are back. Hello guys.
Goodbye.
Let me check and make sure my audio
Mute mix slash off. Press.
Check. Okay.
Hey, Colton, be careful with that. We're recording, and that's going to be copyrighted.
Wait, hold on. I think we should move to the recording studio for this. Actually,
You're good.
Anyway,
Matt Curtis on the Octoplex 3010.
I am on Team Talk with.
Hey guys, it's Matt here.
Yeah, it's the trouble. It's the crazy little sister belonging to Matt Curtis, aka Millie.
And then,
You're sitting on your phone again, Colton.
And then with Alex and them.
Goodbye.
Alex Chapman on computer. Hello my friend. S and welcome to that. Of a randomness session. Oh crap,
You're
what's
funny,
happening?
Alex.
Get down. Shit's about to go there.
Shit's about to go.
Alex Chapman on computer.
Yeah,
Hello my friend.
I don't blame you. You should take this down. Anyway, really, this is basically us doing random stuff with
That's
other
little.
stuff.
And we also got a BRB Valley Prime, but he's not here right now.
Yeah, he disappeared off to another planet in the middle of God knows where.
NVDA settings. Speech. Normal.
I haven't actually.
Normalize voice Samantha. English. United States. Voice Samantha.
Guys,
English.
that's the
Karen.
voice
English.
Millie wants to
Australia.
date.
Lee, English.
Karen. Kate. English. Karen. English. Kate. Karen. Variant. Embedded. Omact. Matt's Little House on the Rari / Hangout Room. Emork V. 5.18. Channel list. Stream room. 0. Locked level 1. Use the up and down arrows or select the items. Use left arrow elapse and right arrow
I'm
expand.
leaving
Alex
that.
Chapman on Amua. Daniel Omact go.
Why?
You hurt my feelings.
Wait, how did I hurt your feelings?
Wait, let me.
Because
set
you a bitch.
Envy.
so that it isn't overly long.
Why did I... God.
Idioms and speech. Idioms and speech rules. Rules list all. Ross. Status.
Rariage. Are you
Just move to add edit gun or remove edit gun rest. Filler you are
How the hell do you record on? Wait, were you recording on File Explorer?
No, I'm recording with OBS.
Filler you fill est omen edit est rest. Hello. Fill and ask wide brow volume started and omen edit all start adjustment lang. 0.
900.
And
you yell in my ear on one of my
X
private
volume
rooms.
slider 100. Use the left spot browse bang wide file edit select upgrowing wave and on est on end adjustment in millis. Ozo thoroughly off. Negative for extras in the end edit selected 0.
I'm not kidding.
Start adjustment in millis and comment edit all est rest. Hello.
Back.
I
Yeah.
think I broke. Oh.
Why don't you PM that to me?
NVDA settings.
I broke it.
Matt's Little House on the Rari / Hangout Room. Emork V 5.18. Channel list.
This
G40 Media Late.
right here.
Alex Chapman on Amua. Silade. That's so. Alex Chapman on Amua. Silade. That's so.
No. Wait. Someone's voice is even more broken.
Valley Rhyme.
No, voice is even more broken. Wait,
Voice. Aaron.
switch back.
Daniel. English. Pitch. 3032. 0. Matt's Little House on the Prairie / Hangout Room. Team Talk 5.18. Channel list. G4P Media Player. Premium Edition. Microphone. Jason Woldy. Don't you wanna stay? Mainstream. Person row 41 column 1 level 1. Use the up and down arrow keys to select the items. Use left arrow to collapse and right arrow to expand. Alex Chapman on computer. This voice needs to. Alex Chapman on computer. This voice needs to.
This voice needs to boom.
NVDA. Matt's Little House on the Prairie / Hangout Room. Team Talk. Team Talk 5. Use channel left. G4P Media Player. Premium. G channel left. Team Talk. Use up and down arrow keys. Team use the up and G4P channel left. Matt's Matt's little house. Use the arrow keys to NVDA set Gianni. Gianni. Also, does anyone talk to Charlie? Maybe instead of calling him Wanka, we should call him Wankameya's new team message. Use arrow keys to move the cursor across text. You may type text here.
I've updated some of my ear cons as well for the out of container
Yeah.
and such, so what's
And I don't know why Gianni's being like that in the. I don't know what the fuck he's going on about.
He's just being him. He's just being him, honestly. He's being him.
Alex Chapman on computer. GG.
Oh, and by the way,
Playback. Speaker. Headphone. Headset FM. Line 1. Set the playback. Headset FM. Line.
I have my output. I could just turn on my audio input capture. It's fine.
Matt's NVDA. OBS 31. Volume. Mute mix slash up. Mute desktop audio. Settings.
And besides, input and output are both line 1, and I don't have the microphone set to line 1.
Mute desktop audio. Properties for mute mix slash aux. Mute audio input catch. Mute volume slider for mute audio. Mute audio input catch.
Try download.
Mute.
It's in the release.
Mute audio input catch.
It's in the release. It's in the releases section. Try that. It's in the releases section.
Sound. Select a playback device below to modify its settings. Line 1. Virtual audio cable. Default device 4 of 8. Using. Properties Alt plus P. OBS 31. Matt's little house on the NVDA set. Matt's little house. Windows 7 X. Windows Live Messenger. Elton column 4. Mayara Disco. Sound row 1 column 1 of 9. OBS 31. Matt's little house. NVD. Matt. End. No theme. Nda theme to it. Yes Alt. NTM for NVDA. Joseph J. Matt's little house on the prairie / hangout room. Team talk. Channel list. Team. Channel list. G channel. Use up and down. Use the up and down. G4 channel list. Matt's little. Nda theme to it. Joseph J. Wanka. Rolling on the floor laughing. Mayar's new team's group.
I was scrolling through the speech history so I can figure out what message. It's a link. It's a link. Yeah, like releases, for example, with NVIDIA and Nav Sounds, I think it's like releases like 7 or something, 8 something. I don't know how many releases Ahmed put on Nav Sounds, but no, I don't need to restart OBS. It's not in the as a matter of fact, instead of that, you can go into the add-on store, and then you can go into the what is it? The main available add-ons. Yeah, just look for that, and then it should be your thing. Yeah. I think it's recommended to do that, but you can download it either way. It's not forced upon. I was able to download Nav Sounds from this thing, and I was fine.
Master channel list. G. NVDA. U. Galaxia Star 1128 on Android. Man row 5 level 1. Stay. Matt's little house on the message. Use arrow. They are on computer, and it's amateur hour with colon, and it's amateur hour with
That's because you're. You need to downgrade to 24.2. That's why it's in right. Yeah, hit yes and some add-ons actually don't really. Earcons doesn't work when enabled with the thing, and I can prove that because my Windows 10 VM doesn't take earcons with Let me actually show you.
Slash. Matt's Little House. Row 2 column 5 10 at 10.
Oh god, what warning?
With your support, you contribute to keep.
I did not start V2.
Are you sure you want to exit? Matt's Little House.
You install the add-on. The only reason I put that as a warning sound is because, you know, errors and whatnot. But speaking of,
G. Matt Blank. Matt Blank. Unsub.
okay, that's the Android NFC sound, but
They are on computer. S. S needs more. S. Colon. S. Channel list. Galactus.
no, not means war. It's like the air. Are
Master
you
volume
seriously
15. Use
going to? Oh,
Windows Live Messenger row 1 column 2. Sound column 3 3 of 9. OBS 310. NVDA settings. Matt's Little House on the Prairie / Matt's Master volume 50. Channel list. They are streaming. They are on computer. Micro.
my thing is so out of sync.
Galactus Star Wars. G4P Media. Alex
I'm
Chapman.
rejoining.
Hangout room. 12/12. Matt's
I'm
Little
gonna
House
enter
on the
the void for about a millisecond.
Hangout room.
Then it
12/12.
will join.
They are streaming client. Hangout room. Matt's Little House on the Prairie Disk quota 110.0 gigabytes. They are a discard. Elton column 3 8 of 9. They are arrogant. Select thread. Introducing Underworld Productions. Best game developers. Author. Underworld Productions. Prests. 30. And red. 0.
Just know the games thread of that thing. Elton English in general has people backlashing not only the admins, well, but there are also trolls on this community. So, yeah, Elton is most known for there being a bunch of kids and trolls on set serve client.
They are a discard. Windows 7X. Windows 7. Numlock off.
Speech mode, microphone gain slide, master volume slide. Host manager dialog default, 10,300.
They are on Windows 7 VM. Matt's Little House on the Prairie. Numlock. Elton Row. Matt's Little House on the Prairie / Hangout room. Team Talk V. 5.18. Streaming column 3 3 of 9. Windows 7X6. Windows 7X64.
Just know you've probably already saw in the server logs on the TT.com and here as well that you can get Team Talk on Windows XP as well.
Show hit. Desk. Windows 7X60. VMware Workstation. Open up. Create a new. Windows 7X6. Elton Road. Matt's Little House on the Prairie. Matt's Little House. VMware Workstation Road.
I am
Windows 7.
mute and trace. Actually, I'm gonna turn my screen curve.
Always show a warning when. Yes, old class. Temporary.
Matter of fact, this will probably be converted into an audio thing, an audio only thing, then be converted with because everything audio only, right?
Windows 10 Insider
Not
Preview.
really everything, but
Windows 10 Insider
just
Preview.
know
Windows
that 2025.1 doesn't like earcons for whatever the reason.
power on this virtual.
And I can prove that because wait, it's coming. And I think NVIDIA had a bunch of logged errors when enabling nav sound. Removing nav sounds just gives you a bunch of logged errors. And I don't get it. Only if you have... No, and that is if you have play a sound for logged errors set to always. Excuse me. I literally just farted through something.
Please disable screen curtain before using Windows OCR.
How about no? Or actually, Yeah.
Screen curtain.
I made sure to turn off widgets so that the news about a certain person that will not be named doesn't spread across my taskbar every few
Content
seconds.
is not visible. Windows 10 Insider Preview. Content is not.
Content is. Oh, I think I know why that is. Hold on.
Windows 10 Insider Preview. Content is not visible.
Are you? I think.
So,
Oh,
Start.
it is on.
folder view, recycle bin not search. NVDA, new log, A, add-on store, A. Add-on store, install search, enabled channel, sort, install close. Install up, chat, enable, description, reader, install E, earcons and speech rules, distraction mode,
This thing does not like earcons for whatever the reason.
context. Enable overriding, enable add-on dialog warning about OES Alt plus, about IES Alt, add-on store, installed add-ons, all, restart NVDA dial space.
See,
Loading NVDA,
see, even
start.
the command for enabling earcons,
Input NVDA plus Alt plus D.
even
NV
that command does not work.
NVDA
And when you
settings.
go into the settings,
NVDA settings. General E. Speech 2 of 9. Braille 3. Audio 4. Vision 5 of keyboard. Mouse 10. Review cursor 8 of 19. Input composite.
Matt's Little House on the Prairie
why
/ Hangout Room.
are you always out of sync?
Message. Channel list. Hangout Room.
That's it.
May hours streaming plan.
I hate the fact that I have to go in and out of the void just to get this thing back in sync again. It's dumb.
Windows 10 Insider Preview. Build 10. Windows 10 Insider Preview.
Input composition property categories. Alt. Object. Press. Browse mode. Document. Document app. Remote app. Add-on store. Touch interact. Window mode. Advanced navigation sound.
Even earcons doesn't work with is this thing working? Okay.
NVD new lay. Add-on store. Add-on store. Install E. Earcons and speech rule. Actions. Context.
So now it is just us.
Disable D. Add-on store. Install app. Restart NVDA space. Loading NVDA.
How many? That's what I mean by this thing has logged errors. Oh.
Matt's Little House on the
Hold on. This is a
G4P
recording.
Media.
And show V1.
V1.
I had to do that for copyright reasons.
Matt's Little House on the Prairie. They are described. NVDA setting. OBS 3.
Matt's Lil House on the Rari / Hangout Room. Emorc V 5.18. Streaming. Channel list. G4E Media Layer. Premium Edition. Message. Channel list. G4E Media. Message. User OEs will move.
NVDA 2025 does not like earcons, so you're gonna have to even enable it. Because if you enable it with compatibility mode, if you try to overwrite the compatibility, just know earcons won't work with that thing, and that accounts for some other add-ons, which is why I simply modify the manifest file. Or just wait until the actual developer has updated the code to the add-on for it to work to 2025. In this case, Tony Malek hasn't updated. Well, he's committed it, but that's only on his side of the add-on. But now that means that it will have to be compiled yourself. That's the thing about GitHub users, though. You have to compile it yourself. It is dumb.
May hours streaming liant. Guys, I think this voice is Zebro and although where it should you Olin guys, I think this voice is zebra in order where it should you
I had to do that because I can.
Channel list. Windows N Insider Review, build 10,000 and Windows N Insider Review, build 10,074. VMware Workstation.
Start. Folder view. Recycle bin not selected. Not Brave Elton checked 3 of 11. Firefox checked 4 of 11.
Elton works poorly with Windows 10 Insider. If you want to literally use it, just know the keyboard does not work with Elton because it's a beta build. What do you expect? Beta builds will have errors. The only thing it actually works with is Windows 10 Insider Preview is the Internet Explorer 11. And how does it work like that? Because I installed it, which replaces the Project Spartan thingamajig. What the heck is a Project Spartan anyway? Oh, I know what it is. It's the original Microsoft Edge, or the Microsoft Edge. No, the Microsoft Edge of the Microsoft Edge of a cliff that is probably about to be jumped off. Okay, no, that's too far.
Start.
Matt's Little House on the Windows and Inside. Matt's Little House on.
Why do I keep having to constantly get in and out? I'm gonna go in and out of the void again. Oh. Stop it.
Matt's Little House on Master Vault Channel List G4E Media Alex Chapman on Amua Myrophone Hangout Room Welv/Welv Hangout Room Mayor Windows and Insider Ellen Olam 3 of Matt's Little House on Windows Live Mess Sound Olamu 6 of 8 Sound
Olamu. What is that Olamu?
Oh, Layback Roy's All Plus Headset earphone USB audio device Set default All Plus Show hidden Ellen 29 Ellen Sound Mayara Disk Obs 31 Windows Live Matt's Lil Ellen Row 1 Olam 4 of 8 Manamans in reducing select forum forum Ellen
It's because that's the build number of it. It's not 2 NVDA versions. The second version is the build number of it. Well, that's the build. That's the build number of it. It's much the same way with Windows 11. It's much like the same way with Windows 11 build 26,400 something .51 something. You can even ask Brian, he'll give you more.
Select forum on act with the administration threads 14 posts 400
Yeah, but
Amuna share and culture and Amuas and acknowledge mobile devices select thread has iOS 26 bricked any of yours devices author Mayara Aragandade select forum games thread select thread Omania my thirds in reducing underworld reductions best game developers author
going through the Ellington things and seeing how bad Vocalizer Karen is at
in reducing underworld reductions. Ext, hello all, and I am now here to talk about new audio games Underworld Reductions will make. We have made new demo, and I am sharing here this demo. Hope you will all like this great new game we make. It is fun FES sure, ill enemy.
Just know that this person is... The game might not even be a game at all, so I highly doubt that... And I'm not even going to go through the demo because someone else is... I have already uploaded a video of going through said demo and literally giving my thoughts about this whole Underworld Productions thingamajig.
Select thread. Manaman servers are like down or select forum on next menu. Wick actions.
On next menu. Wick actions. Are you serious? Wait.
PW blue. We say eggs.
Yeah, just do that.
Ellen. Wellamawizak v0.a.in.0. We say and fig.
Wellamawizak b0. Okay. Why? Why?
Wizak v0.a.in.0. Sessions. We say. E R E W S Ansel Alt, Ostald, Weezak V0 Dark 0. Use the arrows or move or the next or previous item in this list. Mayara, S.
I am recording. That's why I said I had to take. That's why I said I had to set the volume all the way to. I did though. Didn't I? I don't. Maybe you were. I don't know, but anyhow, um, try testing it. But if it breaks your NVDA, you are on your own, bub. You enable it and you have the to set earcon. The command to enable earcons is NVDA plus Alt plus P. NVDA plus Alt plus P. NVDA plus Alt plus P. Is that what you did? Let me see.
In help on NVDA plus Alt plus E, Oglians and speech rules. NVDA.
Oh. Yeah, you're gonna have to downgrade. And then reinstall the add-on. Just go back to 24.1. Why not? I mean, let me wait, are you sure you did the right command? Check your NVDA settings and see if earcons and speech rules even got updates there. And you know what? Yeah, check the preferences and see if earcons.
Sound row 1 Olamu of 8. Ellen. Matt's Lil House on the Rari / Matt's Lil House on the Rari.
There isn't. Yeah, you're gonna have to wait. You're gonna have to wait for the developer to actually release the add-on itself. Because here's the thing, you're gonna have to wait for the developer to release a add-on version with the files. Because here's the thing, the thing about GitHub is when someone commits changes to an add-on release, they just expect you to compile the add-on yourself with all the local files and global plugins and everything to do with them. Which means that you have to literally compile all of those, and it'll take like an hour to do because you have to copy all of those binaries and stuff into the app data folder under where your add-ons are stored. So it's pointless doing that.
Channel list, Hangout room. Select synthesizer, best speech.
Just know, Keynote Gold is broken with. Well, not really broken, but
Matt's Little House on the Prairie / Hangout Room.
It kind of messes with
Message,
your
use arrow keys to move.
Bro, that's not how it's pronounced. You're only saying that is because that's how the TTS says it.
Capitulating. Alice streaming client. TDST with the broken capitulating. TDST with the broken capitulating. Show hidden icons. Press space or enter to activate this button. Matt's Little House on the channel list. Hangout Alex Chapman on computer. Microphone mess channel list. Alex Chapman on computer. Microphone rules for the toilet. 1. Sit and shit in an orderly manner. 2. Don't mess with me or my friends. 3. No queefing. 4. Fuck you to the max. You waste of space. Man superhero. Hilton row 1 column 2 to Hilton. Forum. Elton English community. Select community discuss. Quick actions. Forum. Exit. Cancel. Hide program. Max Little House on the Prairie / Hangout Room Team Talk V. 5.1 streaming. Channel.
Alright. Well, good night.
Alex Chapman on computer. Alex Chapman on computer. Max Little House on the Prairie. Alex Chapman on computer. Alex Chapman on computer. Max Little House on the Prairie. P4P Media Player. Premium Edition. Microphone playing. Facebook feet. Future Android Crossview Daddy Mainstream. Person level 1.
That's weird though. Is it though? Don't you have like an AC somewhere that will oh, trust me, we've all been there, cause I have experienced times where I have been sweating to the maximum, and like it's where my neck and everything goes. I just
Master
don't.
volume 50. Use the left hand. Run type the name desktop. Select synthesizer. Synth speaking. Speak with Brola. Eloquence 4.E speaking.
Just to torture Matt. Here's this thing.
Max Little House on the Prairie / Hangout Room. Team Talk V 5.18. Streaming. Master volume 50. Use the left and down arrow keys to decrease and up and right arrow keys to increase the value in this slider. Use page up and page down to increase or decrease in larger values, and press home and end keys to select maximum and minimum value. Valid rhyme. Client collapsed Alt plus L. Use the Master volume slider 50. Use the run dialog. Type the name of a program. Fold snmmsys.cpl mmsys.cpl snd vol selected instead. mmsys.cpl mmsys.cpl selected. Desktop list. Sound dialog. Playback proper tab. Recording tab selected. Playback tab selected. Playback prop speaker. Realtek R headphone. Realtek R audio. Not headset earphone. USB audio headphone. Realtek headset earphone. USB set default split button submenu. Alt split button submenu. Press select a playback device below the properties button. Alt plus P. Press OK button. NVDA settings. Audio normal configuration dialog. Audio property page. Headset earphone. USB audio dev.
So Jaden, are you
Sound
able to
cancel.
sleep out tonight?
Windows 10 Insider Preview Build 10074 Windows XP Professional Free VM Edit Search Windows 10 Pane Property Pane Windows 7 Unlock off.
Microphone gain slider. Master volume slider 50. Master volume slider.
Oh yeah, I nearly forgot when I gotta...
Menu. Elton.
What did you say? Matt, what?
Unknown.
Oh. I was saying, I nearly forgot. I have to...
Team Talk 5 Classic V5.13 dialogue.
Tomorrow.
Team Talk 5 Classic V5.13 dialogue. Master volume. MSN Messenger icon to AOL Instant Mess AOL. Sign on.
Because
MSN Nest.
I'm getting a
Unknown.
new headset for my mixer.
Menu. Elton Watt. Steve's talking clock. Steve's clock 2.06. Main voice combo. Course out 3 on the hour voice alarm.
It's a
Alarm.
really
24 hour.
good day for me.
Say 24 hour. Say time.
The time is 8:22 p.m.
Tomorrow is one of my... No, guys. Literally, tomorrow is one of my happy days.
Max Little Windows up.
Radio graffiti, I know.
Speak with ETI look.
Oh yeah, the ghost politics thing. Oh.
Max Little.
Next thing you know, that's still gonna bring. Next thing you know, that's still gonna bring Alex in one of those things. Like.
Yep.
I don't get it. Anyway,
Micro.
I am ending this madness.
Windows. Max Little. Windows. Ops.
So-
Ops. Volume slider. New audio. Max Little House on the Prairie.
Set my playback.
Run.form size.cpl. Desktop list. Sound.ok. Max Little. Voice. Ops. Volume. New audio. Input capture. Checked. Properties for Options. Settings. Delete. Start. Pause. Stop recording.
And